Here we are with this 2005 3060 Regal. We have her out of the water here at Marina Shipyard in Long Beach. We just did brand new bottom paint, 2 coats, and the outdrives are going to be serviced. What we're going to do is some things that a regular surveyor would do upon inspection. This is to establish a little bit more comfort level for the next buyer. We're going to start off with a percussion test, but I am going to take this opportunity to introduce the newest South Mountain Yacht associate, Miss Tammy Carlos. She's been in the business for quite a while, very knowledgeable, and she's going to help me with these video inspections and tours. You can contact me, Lou, or Tammy for the complete down and dirty on this 3060 Regal Express. We see the tines are nice and solid and straight. One of the things we're looking for in doing this is soft spots, delamination, any signs of water intrusion. You hear a hollow spot there, that's because there's nothing behind this wall right here. Continuing down the side, you can tell where the stringers are. Tanks and other features of the vessel. Now here we are at the transom. This is a bolt-on swim step here. We have underwater lights and trim tabs right here. Now there's no signs of electrolysis on this trim tab. The struts right here, or this trim tab also. So that's always a very good sign. Our outdrives are the good metal Volvo Penta. Nice and solid, with good spin on the props. And they're nice and solid, nice and tight in there, which tells us our gimbal bearings are good. And that one's got a little bit of play, which is still okay. And then we have a good spin right here. One of the things I'm looking for on the spin of the props is just make sure they're all in balance. What we do here, we see how this outer prop is equidistant, so we know this outer prop is nice and balanced. We're going to measure the inside one from right here, and you see it touches in almost the same exact spot. Let's check the other one. What you want to do is you want to line this up fairly close. Make sure all the blades touch in approximately the same spot. And they do. You can usually pick up a bent prop or something that's out of whack. Okay. Let me pull that back a little bit further. You see, right there it hits in almost the same exact spot. That gives you a very good idea on the balance of the props. They're in very good condition. Now, another test on the propellers that we do, a little bit of sounding. What that nice tone, bell tone, tells us is that they're solid. There's a lot of life left on them. There's no zincification. They're in good condition. on this prop, there is just a little bit of burn starting to happen right there. That usually happens on these props after about 10 or 12 years. That's cavitation bubbling right there. Eventually, that'll grow and need to be replaced, but for right now, she's good for another couple years. Now from here, we're going to walk around and continue. And again, on this trim tab, there's no signs of electrolysis. We see there's no burn in the paint on the through hole fitting there. And then coming down along the port side, we've got a good solid wrap all the way. That tells us the hull is in good condition, no delamination, no signs of damage. We've got good solid bottom paint. She's ready to go for the next owner. Now we're not a survey, but this is everything that I just showed you is what a surveyor would do. Come view the vessel. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.